if you are facing login issues with the Daman app or have forgotten your password, here's a step-by-step guide to help you to resolve the problem. First step is that if you are having the trouble logging into your Daman app, you have to make sure your internet connection is connected to your Wi-Fi or mobile data. Also, your Wi-Fi or mobile data is stable and working properly. So here you can see that. So a weak or slow connection might cause login issues. Instead that you are using the latest version of your Diamond app. Outdated version can cause login issue. You have to navigate to your Google Play Store and search for the Diamond app. If there is any update available, then you have to tap on the update option. Also, you can close the app completely and go for the force sheet option. Just go and tap on your Daman app and go for the app info and tab on the force sheet option. After tapping on the force sheet option, you can restart the app. Also, you can clear the app cache to resolve issues with the app. Just tap on the clear data and go for the clear cache here. If none of this step work, you can restart your phone, which can help restart the app here and fix the minor glitches. So this way you can easily fix the Damal login problem. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.